Okay, so you want to create your first website without knowing how to code. I think it's quite a good decision to create a website. There are different reasons why people want to have a website. What I just normally do is to go to Google and type in WordPress. And of course, you can see that WordPress create a free website or blog. Click on that. That takes you to this screen. You can see there 36% of the internet is powered by WordPress. We get started, and then here you put in your email address. Interestingly, asks you for a username. I'll just put in username. Hopefully this username doesn't exist. And then again, you can type in any password you want. And of course, you can always go back and change that. And just those three simple things, and then you create your account. Okay, it's asking me to save mine. I'll save mine. Okay, and then it wants a domain name. So type in the domain name you want here. So what kind of domain name would you want? So I'll just type in something, and then again it shows you options. So what do we have here? Again, you have your Mark on Tech WordPress.com. This one is the free edition. It comes in, it's free. There's some that you pay for, and there's a quite long list of them that you have to pay for. But they can come free with the different packages that WordPress offers. So that's why you have them £15 but free. If you take up their packages, there are different payment packages. We want to do everything completely free, so we'll go for the free one. We select that one, and again you can see the different packages. The personal plan, which is for £3 a month, and then the £7 a month one, which this is the most popular, £20 a month. And then there's the e-commerce plan, which is £36 a month. So they're really different types of plans that you want to choose. So let's start with the free site. Okay, the free site, we click on that, and we just wait while WordPress does that, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Your site is created, and then you can decide to design your site. There are custom themes, and you can choose which theme you want. So that's your pages. So you have your page, you have home, about, your contact, you have a blog, and if you want to see it, you can link to that and then see your page, and then you can manage it, and then have a quick look and feel about things. But I think that it would be good to just have a feel of how the page looks like. If we go to home, just to see the home page, it'd be good to see the page. And so it's just taking a wee while to load. Okay, and let's say next, and then next, and then just want to get started, and you can preview the page. So this is how your page will look and feel of your page when you load it on your desktop or when people visit your site. And I think we will stop here. There are further videos on showing you how you can design the website, how you can customize this website to have a look and feel of what you really want. I hope that was helpful, using WordPress on how to get your own personalized site. Either you want to put your CV on it, either you want to start a blog, you want to have your side hustle. But in this, it's quite a good way to get your content and yourself out there, but it's quite straightforward. You don't need to know how to code, and it's just a few steps. Thank you.